Virginia Attorney General Jay Jones is creating a new unit to go after employers accused of breaking state labor laws. The Worker Protection Unit brings back an effort that ended under former AG Jason Miyares. The new team will investigate complaints from workers and can take legal action when needed. That includes enforcing new workplace protections that took effect in July, including changes involving paid leave, wages, and overtime.
This issue isn't partisan. It is about putting people first, and it's about putting money back in everyone's pockets. The tariffs have impacted everybody, not just Democrats, not just Republicans or independents. No matter where you are, no matter who you are, these policies are impacting your bottom line. And this is just an extension of our fight to try to keep those resources here in Virginia.
The office plans to hire 3 people for the unit within its first year, using $500,000 from the state's budget.